Hello, everyone. So we are going to actually start our journey on building autonomous application. And the first thing that we're going to need to do it is to set up our project. And I have created this repository here where we are going to be leveraging it in order to have some base thing set up for us. So please go to this repository and clone it here, and then go to your to an environment. So let's say you have it cloned. So I should just git clone and actually this thing, this. And I have cloned it already. I have it in here. So once you clone, you're gonna open it in your editor, and you're gonna see a lot of files here, right? So you have few examples, and you have some package here. And this is the final project, and this is what we are gonna be building together. But to start, I have created a branch. It's called a start, and I wanted you to switch to this branch. And you're gonna see that now we have almost no code, right? So I have only the main code here that I have very base lines of code just to have something to start with. And having that downloaded and switch to this start range, we will then go through the instructions that we have, which it is basically, oh, okay. I'm gonna take from the main one. So which I suggest you to create your Python environment, this command, and then activate it. And then you will try to install all the requirements. I have these 2 steps done already, and this is actually optional. So I'll just skip these ones. And you can see that I have already my Python environment set to that. And I'll try to install the requirements, the dependencies that we have in our project, which it is a minimum. So just a few, and you can see that's very fast here. This is because I had this installed already. For you, it might take a bit longer, but should be quick anyway. Then after that, we will actually need to make the OpenAI key available in our system as an environment variable. And you can do this, just do the export here, or you can actually add it to your bash profile. And then the previous lecture, I showed you how to get it. So now you're going to use that API key in here. And I have mine already available. So then I can just try and to run our base script, which has only this message. This can be a bit, if you want to make this available in your project without using a API key, environment variable, you can just come to this Python file, and you can just replace this line here where we are reading this API key from our environment variable, and just put your API key here, API key, if you prefer. But it's safer to just use as an environment variable. And I think that's all we need to start. So see you in the next lecture where we are going to start building our autonomous application. See you.